Welcome to Genius Tutorial. Today we are going to learn about calculation of mean deviation using mean. So here I have taken the continuous series example 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. So frequency is 15, 19, 14, 20, 18, 14. So first we need to add the frequency. Frequency is 15 plus 19 plus 14 plus 20 plus 18 plus 14. So frequency is 100 after adding this column. Next MV means mid value. Mid value means middle value of these two numbers. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2. So 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. So mid value is a second step. Next step is FM. FM means frequency into mid value. So 15 into 5. 15 into 5, 75. Next 19 into 15, 285. 14 into 25, 350. 20 into 35, 700. 18 into 45, 810. 14 into 55, 770. So FM means frequency into mid value. So we got this value after multiplying these two column. Next we need to add these values. 770 plus 810 plus 700 plus 350 plus 285 plus 75. So we will be getting 2990 is the summation FM value. Now we need to take out the mean from this one. So x bar is equal to summation FM divided by n. So summation FM is 2990 divided by 100. So your x bar value is equal to 29.9. X bar value is 29.9. So next step, mid value minus x bar. Mid value is nothing but these values minus x bar 29.9. 5 minus 29.9. 5 minus 29.9. Actually we will be getting minus 24.9. But here we are taking mod d. Mod d means we should not consider the minus value here. So only 24.9 we need to take it. Next one. 15 minus 29.9. So 14.9. We should not consider the minus value because we have taken mod d. D is nothing but deviation. Next 25 minus 29.9. 4.9. Next 35 minus 29.9. 5.1. Next 45 minus 29.9. 15.1. 55 minus 29.9. 25.1. So we got mod d value. After this we need to multiply with frequency. F mod d. So 15 into 24.9 is equal to 373.5. Next 19 into 14.9, 283.1. Next 14 into 4.9, 68.9. Sorry, 6. 68.6. Next 20 into 5.1. 20 into 5.1, 102. Next 18 into 15.1, 271.8. Next 14 into 25.1, 351.4. So after getting these values, we need to add this column, that is 351.4 plus 271.8 plus 102 plus 68.6 plus 283.1 plus 373.5. we will be getting 1450.4. this value is summation f mod d value. So mean deviation using mean formula is summation fd using mean is equal to summation f mod d divided by n. So mean deviation is equal to, the value is 1450.4 divided by n value is 100. So MD is equal to 1450.4 divided by 100, will be getting 14.504 is your mean deviation answer. Next, coefficient of mean deviation using mean is nothing but the answer 14 point, mean deviation value is 14.504 divided by x bar value is 29.9. So after solving this one, we will be getting answer is 0.48. Thank you for watching my video.